John Champion here, alongside me Jim Beglin, and we're up in the commentary box for what we hope will be a great football match here in the San Mamés.
Hi John, I can tell you, I'm absolutely delighted to be here.
The teams then, Paris Saint-Germain against Juventus. And the lineups for today. Off we go then. That is offside. Just when they had a chance to take the lead, or so they thought. A timely intervention. Plays this forward. Wants to get this forward. Marquisio. Quadro Asamoah. Here's Marquisio. Now Vidal. Vucinic! They've made a flying start.
Well, there wasn't much on for him, so it was worth a shot. It was worth a try from there. Well, I think the early signs have been very good for them. They've already got that defence unsettled, and now they've got to back it up.
Now Thiago Silva. This is very pleasing on the eye. He's got in. And he's still going. Sends it to the middle. Caught offside. So there'll be no goal to put them in front here.
Good call. He was just behind the last defender.
Here's Mamadou Sakho. It's on for him. Lavezzi. Marquisio. Got it. It's opened up nicely for him. A strike. From distance, it lacked accuracy.
That's a pretty powerful effort, because he really got hold of that one, but he's not going to trouble the keeper from there. Well, isn't it refreshing to see a team begin like this, full of belief and confidence? They've already stated their intent. This is my kind of football.
Lavezzi. Ibrahimovic. And he's got quite a shot on him. A chance goes begging.
He was in such a great position in front of goal, and you'd expect him to score from there, but somehow he's missed it.
Pirlo. And on he goes, and he'll get the shot away here. And the keeper's there to claim it. Menez. The ball's with Menez. The ball played out wide. It's on for him. Lavezzi. Chance. He may have tried to be too clever there. Here's Pastore. Vidal. They're off on the counter. Lavezzi. So good spell of passing. The linesman's kept his flag down. He's carved himself a chance here. Yep, offside there, to the massive relief of the opposition defenders. Menez. Got it. Lavezzi. Launches it towards the far post. Hits the ball.
Build-up play is so easy on the eye, but someone's got to get a shot away.
Marquisio. 30 minutes of the first half gone.
There just isn't enough movement for them. They're struggling to make a breakthrough.
Now through to Marquisio.
They may well get a bit more joy down the flanks. They'll certainly find more space out there.
Cuts it out. Here's Vidal. A fine display of slick passing. Pass intercepted. Menez on the ball. Now Vidal. Lavezzi. Oh, he's lost it. The ball's with Marquisio. And Alex. 5 minutes before half-time, and it's level. Lavezzi. Here's Ibrahimovic. Marquisio beats him to it. He's got in. Wants to get this forward. The ball is with Pirlo. And there's the end to the first 45.
Well, this has been such a poor effort from both sides. The keepers have been more or less redundant.
So, it's 0-0. Let's hope for a goal or two in the second half. Away we go then with the second half. Paris Saint-Germain against Juventus. Some slick passing on display. What can they make of it? The flag stays down. Wonderful header. A decent try, but not good enough.
Well, you can sense they're really going for it now. This is gung-ho, and only a goal will do for them.
Now Thiago Silva. Now Pastore. Thiago Silva. Here's Thiago Silva. He's onside. It's on for him. He can take the shot on here. Whacks it. It's led to a goal. They finally get their breakthrough in the second half. A very classy finish, that. So we start again at 1-0.
Well, when you look around the dressing room and think, who can I depend on? This is the guy for me. He's such a wonderful technician.
Here's Marquisio. Menez! Keeper claims it. Quadro Asamoah. Vidal. Here's Pirlo. Plays this forward. Giovinco. Picked off the ball.
Well, listen, when it's congested through the centre of the pitch like that, they're threatened more from the wider positions.
The ball's with Marquisio. He's got in. No, that won't be finding its target. Now Pastore. And Menez. This is lovely passing to watch. Wants to get this forward. It's on for him. Ibrahimovic. Marquisio intercepts. Here's Vidal. Quadro Asamoah. Thiago Motta beats him to it. Got it. Here's Marquisio. Quadro Asamoah. Marquisio. Quadro Asamoah. He's looking to play it into the channel. That is great goalkeeping. Cleared to safety. It's a corner. He sends it in.
Well, there's no point in adopting a conservative attitude now. As long as they don't lose their shape completely, they have to throw men forward in this situation.
You're right, and they're running out of time. Plays this forward. He's got in. He's onside here. Here's a cross. And they've cleared it away. Now they'll have to face a corner. Puts it back. Can he now find a finish? He takes the opportunity to shoot. Puts it away. Surely it's game over now. That is a vintage goal.
Yeah, and I don't mind admitting that this is my kind of football. Good passing and movement with the right tempo and purpose. It's really enjoyable.
So it's now 2 without reply. Bit of space on the flank. He has a go. An opportunity missed.
Oh, that could so easily have been game over. There would have been no way back from 3 behind.
Now Pastore wants to get this forward. He can surely line one up here. The ball's with Marquisio. Thiago Motta.
Someone's got to get on the ball here. They need to get it into the box.
And he was obstructed there. Referee gives the free kick. Lavezzi. Ibrahimovic. Lavezzi. Picked it off. Quadro Asamoah. He has blown for full time now. They've done it. A wonderful victory here for the fans and for the boss. All of them ecstatic with the way that the team have played today. So many thanks to Jim Beglin, and that is all we have time for this evening.